Question number 5. Find the total surface area of each of the following cone. Okay, now in this case, you will need to find the total surface area. Formula क्या है total surface area का of the cone? Formula क्या होगा रानिया?
Pi r L plus pi r square.
Good. Yes. Pi r L plus pi r square. Okay. Okay. In this case, okay, L is the slant height. Okay. So you will take this length. Okay. For L, you will take this length, not this one. Okay. Not the perpendicular height. आपने नहीं लेना. Slant height लेना है. This one. Okay. So L is 7 centimeter that is given to you. R value is 4 centimeter that is also given to you. दोनों same unit में, तो आपने unit की conversion नहीं करनी. Pi value will be equal to 3.14. Okay. या 22 divided by 7 आप ले लो plus pi value 3.14 times r square. R value is 4 square ले लो, तो you will get the total surface area. Okay. Part B में क्या करना है? Part B में भी आपको slant height given है. Radius will be equal to 14. Okay, in this case this is the diameter. Diameter is given to you, so radius is the half of the diameter, so this will be radius will be equal to 14 हो जाएगा. Okay. अच्छा, in this case slant height is given to you, that is 25, like L value is given to you and circumference is given to you, so you will need to find the L. Okay, sorry, the R. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. For circle, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So R value will be equal to 132 divided by 2 pi. So this will be your R value. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आप put कर लो, तो you will get the, ये आप फिर वो इसमें इसकी simplification भी कर लो, बल्कि यहाँ से कर लो. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12. तो 66 divided by pi will be your radius. Okay, तो यहाँ पे ये values को plug in कर लो, तो आपके पास total surface area आ जाएगा.